Hello from RIT Dubai's new campus. I'm Ian Ireland and I'm part of the Assisted Chair project in senior design.
Hi, my name is Mohammed Nader.
Hi, I'm Ashad Alvi.
The inspiration for this project came a few years ago when I visited my grandmother and saw that because of her age, she struggled to get up from a chair. I saw this and I thought to myself, how could that be made easier for her? It's easy to imagine that this is a problem that affects a lot of people, so we came up with a solution. We took a wheelchair and gave it a moving base so that it could help elderly people and people that have other physical disabilities to stand up.
So here's the 4-bar linkage system that we have designed and fabricated out of square hollow bars. So what essentially is going to happen is this is going to be connected to the front of our wheelchair, the two main pillars. And these two pillars are going to be stationary and welded upon the wheelchair's front. And this will be acting as the base of our chair where the cushion is going to act, or where the person is going to be seated. This is how our mechanism is going to act when the hydraulic cylinder extends. So here we see a rest position, and here we see an inclined position helping people with disabilities and elderlies off the chair. And also it's going to hold this position to help them come back to this position, to the rest position.
So one big element for our project, obviously, as mechanical engineers, we have to make sure that we use CAD, computer-aided design. So behind me, you can see I have a model of the wheelchair. And what we did over here was adjust the mechanism onto the frame of the wheelchair to see how it will fit, how all the pieces will come together. Because what we've done is we've taken an existing wheelchair and we've modified the frame in order to accommodate the mechanism that we have.
Finally, we would like to thank our mentor, Dr. Ghalib, as well as Engineer Ali, Engineer Mohannad, and Engineer Shafahat for their contributions in this project.